Hey guys, let's have a conversation together. Please answer my questions and try to give me very long answers. There is no one else in the room. You don't have to be shy. Click on the space bar and speak. What does your daily routine consist of? Start from the morning, finish in the evening. Tell me everything. Have you studied at the university? What color is the towel in the bathroom right now? Do you save money regularly? What did you have for dinner yesterday? Are you often in a hurry? Does a personal style matter to you? What's the aim of your current work? Can you draw? Has it been rainy recently? And now create your own sentences from following words. April. Explore. Copy. Stripe. Bill. And now I'm going to read a dictation to you. Write it down and then read it out loud. If you want to check it, just go to englishwitheva.com. Click on 3000 words, lesson 22, and there is a PDF with listening where you can check everything that you have written, if it's right or not. Let's get started. In a small town, Sarah was an electrician who liked her job a lot. One day, she got an order to fix wiring for a race event. While working, she noticed kids getting ready for the race. After the race, Sarah finished her work, making sure everything was in order. The organizers thanked her and she felt happy. Later, Sarah got a message from Lisa, a local teacher and her friend, who organized the race, and they decided to meet for a friendly match of tennis. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.